What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Happy holidays to everybody. We have another paintball kind of related video. Wanted to show you guys my new mask, and today's video is how to install the lens on it. It's a little hard once you have a new mask and stuff. It's hard to kind of install it. There's some other videos out there, but today I wanted to make a similar video and show off the mask. I'm not sure if you guys are watching our old videos on the channel. I currently have the JT mask as well, but I want to switch up the colors, so I went with the white bandana. Let's check this out. I was gonna make it an unboxing video, but I guess we'll just jump right straight to it. Let me show you guys the lens that I got. It's hard to tell because you can see right through it, but it's that bluish with green. I forget what it's called. I'll put the name up here. But yeah, if you guys ask yourself why all of a sudden we're putting paintball videos, if you guys are following my or if you guys know me personally, I used to paintball a long time ago, so I kind of started to get back into it because of my oldest son. He wanted to play paintball, so I wanted to take him out there and show him how it's done. But hopefully you guys are liking the videos. But anyways, back to the JT mask. There we go. Look how sick that is. Also, I'm gonna double strap it. Got the violin strap. But yeah, let's jump right to it. So hopefully you guys are liking the content. Comment down below, don't be shy. Let us know if you guys prefer motorcycle riding or more paintball stuff. So what you want to do on this one, you want to go ahead and you just gotta pull it. It's just, since it's really new, it's hard to take apart. But once you switch it out, which I doubt you're gonna want to do unless you're playing at night or on low light. Wow, you see, it's kind of hard. You won't switch it out that often, but like what I was trying to say is that if you're playing in low light, you obviously want to go with the clear lens. Okay, so we got one here. So you just gotta get in there and really snap it. Let's see if it's picking it up. So these two little, what would you call them? They stick out and they go inside of the mask in here somewhere. But yeah, so you want to pull that first. You don't completely have to take it off, but you just want to take it apart that way. And then what you want to do here, you want to start from the top. See, so you want to take out top part. Top part here. These three are here. So then now it should be a little bit easier to pull. So what you want to do, you don't want to pull straight out because the tabs here, this probably won't pick it up. The tabs here has little teeth on it, so it kind of goes in like that. So you kind of want to pull it out. You don't want to pull it straight out. Kind of want to do it from the side. Same thing when you put it back on. You want to go in sideways. A lot of people have trouble with the nose part here when you try to install the new lens. I'm still kind of new at it. I only done it 2 other times for my kid's mask and my other JT mask. Let me know what you guys rock on the field or when you guys are out there playing. You got it out. So save this for when you guys are playing at night or in the dark. So let's throw this bad boy on. Sucks you guys can't really see it, like how badass it looks, but let's throw it on there. So what you want to do, you want to start with the nose area here. We'll start here. So what I do, kind of pinch the nose and go in from an angle and then work yourself in there. Try to put in one side first. It might take you a while, but don't get frustrated. you'll be able to do it. So what I'm trying to do is go from like one little corner here, kind of loop it, not loop it, but like latch it on the mask. And once one little side's in, you can like, after that you can just push it in. But it's just giving me a hard time right now. After you get through the nose part, everything else should be a lot easier. That's why I just start there, just to get it over with. And that's the easiest way to start. Because if you do the top part here, you have a hard time kind of moving it around. Alright. We got one side in, barely. It's been like 10 minutes. You guys can see right there. So let's struggle with this side. And like I said, so at first it's gonna be real hard to get the lens in, because the plastic's so new. But once you start wearing the mask, it'll be a lot easier. But then after you find out how hard it was to put the lens in the beginning, you're not gonna want to be switching it that often. But still, we're here trying to struggle with this one. That's probably the only worst part about the JT mask, but I feel like they're a lot more comfortable, especially right here in the forehead area. When I started paintballing, I was using the dye i4 mask, and I always felt like it almost bruised me right here just for having it throughout the day. Not like a bruise, but you'll feel the tension of the foam and the mask on your face after a long day of paintball. But with this on the foam, check out the foam, guys. How crazy thick this foam is. Dude, once I switched to the JT mask, I asked myself why it take forever to switch over to the JT. I'll show you guys my first JT mask. I got a Misfit collab. I'll show you guys right now. So after getting that one, I wanted to just get something different, like a different color. So I went with the Bandana white. This one took me longer than when I installed my kid's lens on his mask. He got the black bandana with the mirrored lens chrome. It looks nice. Oh, I have it here, so I'll show you guys. It's badass. Well, I gave him my my i4. It's just kind of beat up already. I ended up changing the foam on it and the lens because it was really scratched up. But hopefully he likes his new one. Comment down below how long it took you guys to switch your lens on your mask. Alright guys, as you guys can see, I got the nose part finally. I was getting frustrated already. So the rest should be easier. So you want to finish off the bottom part first. See, it's a lot easier. It just almost kind of goes in by itself. You want to make sure it's fully in there because you don't want no paint going inside your eye or anything. So you want to push it back right here, all the way back. And you want to double check like little buttons. Double check that they're fully in there. It's a lot faster, bottom ones. And then line up your lens to the end of the goggle here. Push it back. And then now to the top three here. Line up your lens to your goggle. Make sure it's on the little slot there, so you're able to push it all the way back. So you see it kind of lines up itself, and you just push down on one side, and then you kind of want to push down and then pull on one side here. See? Make sure they're fully in there. Kind of push this little JT tab, push it forward. And then what you want to do is just put back the little buttons here, push them back in. You'll see where in the mask they kind of go because they'll have a bigger hole. That's pretty much it. We can move on to the strap. So once you push it back in, just kind of pull it a little bit back just to make sure that you got it in there correctly. So that's pretty much it. Yeah, it took me a while, but it looks a lot better. Alright, so that's the lens. We're gonna double strap it. See how it is? I never double strapped before. But I just wanna throw it on there, and if I don't like it, I'll just take it off. But what you wanna do is grab a butter knife and whatever strap you're gonna want. You wanna stretch it out all the way. You're gonna start on one end. What you wanna do is kind of push in. It's like it becomes a tab. You wanna push that in through the mask. And I could have probably done it while I had the lens off. It would have been a lot easier. But since I was already committed to putting on the lens, I just said screw it, I'll do it after. So what you want to do is line it up to the mask there, and what you're gonna do is kind of try to push it in with the butter knife. Try not to get your lens. I think it's easier if you're gonna switch the lens, do the strap first. Okay, so what you want to do is kind of push in the first strap kind of forward a little bit. You can see through the lens, just so you have enough space to put in the second strap. It's gonna be a little bit harder because both of them are just kind of thick to kind of get through. Got one side on. So this is only if you want a double strap. You don't have to put it through your ear area here. You have to slide them in there. So it's just gonna go over your head like that. We're gonna see how it fits since I wear a beanie, and if it's gonna give me issues, I'm just gonna go with the single strap. But yeah, JT Proflex white bandana's coming along, guys. Can't wait to throw this on and be out there playing. And then at the end of the video, I'll show you guys the black one as well, and then the Misfit one that I have. So let me see if I can do this on camera. This other side over here. So you wanna pull the inside of the strap here. You wanna pull the inside as much as you can, like that, and then grab your other side of your double strap. Seems like it's shorter for some reason. And then you're gonna push it in with the butter knife. So what worked with me, I just kind of grabbed it from here. And I put the butter knife in here, and I just pushed it as much as I could. Just try not to scratch up your lens. But yeah, let's see if I can do it. Just want to line it up. That's weird because the strap seems a lot shorter than the other one. I suggest if it's your first time either trying to switch the strap, go single strap so you guys can get familiar of putting in the strap, because you guys will struggle in the beginning. If this is your first time, definitely try to do a single strap to get a feel for it, because you will lose patience. This is my first time doing the double strap. I have other straps too, but this is my favorite one right now. Comment down below, let me know if you double strap or what kind of Proflex setup you guys got. And it's not even that hard, but since I'm trying to do double strap, it feels like it's impossible to stuff it in there. I got it off camera again. So the second strap's in there. The reason why I felt like it was really tight, after you pull it from one side here, you want to pull it back. So you have enough. Pull them both back like that. and you'll have enough strap. So that's why I felt like it was shorter. There we go, so you can see it. It's in there, and then just pull them back out. There we go. So that's how you double strap. You guys are, I'll show you guys once we're out there in the field how it looks with double strap. I'll give you guys a review on it too if it bothers me with the beanie. I have a small head, so we'll see how it goes. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how you install Proflex lens, and that's how you double strap. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comment section below if you guys want to see more paintball stuff, more reviews on some paintball gear. I also got the strapless belt for the pods. I got that, and I got some new pants for Christmas, the infamous pants, so I can do a review on that as well. Let me know in the comment section below if you want to see more paintball stuff, guys. But that's gonna be it for today's video. Double strap and the lens. Let me show you the black bandana, and I'll just show you guys the JT Misfit collab. So this is the black one. This one's got the chrome lens. Look how sick it looks, guys. That's dope. Let me go bring the Misfit one. Check it out, guys. This is the Misfit collab. This is the one I'm using currently right now. If you guys check out the other videos, you'll see me rocking this one. But yeah, they're a badass mask. I really like the foam part. They're so sick, and you can customize them however you guys want. But thanks again for watching. See you guys in the next one. Peace.